Hey everybody, what's up? Just wanted to make a quick video for Q&A Friday. Had somebody ask me about how to actually set up custom events inside of Ads Manager on Facebook. So just going to go up here to the hamburger menu, our good old friend hamburger menu. Go over, go to Pixels, right? And then you're going to see up here where it says Custom Conversions. Well, click that. We're going to create custom conversion. I'm going to name the custom conversion, and then there's a few ways to set this up, but website URL and setting up the equals or doesn't contain is an easy way of doing it. You could say and also must match this, so you could like create like a series, right? So say, if somebody downloaded your case study and then went to your about page or hire me page or something like that, right? You can do that. Select a category and put it inside of the category. You can just do other, name the conversion, and then put in the value. So really simple to set up a custom conversion. Highly recommend that you do so. You can create some really cool flows and do some neat stuff. So thank you all for watching, and happy marketing.